Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are finally back with another market update video. Today, in this session, we will analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame and 15-minute time frame, and we will try to predict the next move, and we'll discuss what's happening again in market. Okay, so in my previous market update session, BTC was around this area, and it was around a perfect top around 24,600, while everyone on Telegram and Twitter was bullish. But I told you guys on my market update session that we are not bullish anymore, and we will face a small drop in price, and we will find long opportunities from this area. So after my update, BTC dropped by almost 8%, and then it find support on my perfect exact entry point, and then it bounced by almost 3 to 4%. And we traded the same move with you guys on my free Telegram, public Telegram channel, and on my VIP Discord. See, this was our potential signal where we went long on BTC with just 10x leverage, and we made obviously we make a huge profit with just 10x leverage. Okay, this is a session where these guys post their gains. This guy made 200 USD profit with just a single call. So this is my VIP Discord, and we traded the same move with you guys on my Telegram channel as well. Okay, so let's get into the session, and we will analyze BTC on 4-hour first, and then there's small little zone which I have to discuss on 15-minute time frame also. So let's remove all this stuff and get into today's market update session. Okay, so currently BTC is trading around 23,300 while I am recording this video. So what's happening right now? We can see we had a recent high right here, which just got broken by this all move up, and this order block was basically responsible for the break of this high. And then if we retrace the basically after a move up, after a break of high, we see a retracement into the desired zone, which is basically the 50% of the low and the recent high. So if we trace the 50% of this move, then we will see that this was basically the zone which I had been predicting you guys, that price has to come in this area, and then we will find long opportunities. So this was the reason, basically, because we have to see the 50% retracement of that possible pullback. Then we have to decide what to do next. So currently we can see that price perfectly found support on the 50% of retracement of this pullback, and now it bounced by almost 3%, and this is basically an order block here, actually working as area of inefficiency. So what can we expect right now in market if price maintains above this zone, which I will discuss with you on 15-minute time frame analysis? So we might expect a move up towards the high that may be in between 24,000 to 24,500, because if we see that there was lot of liquidity that was being forming in the form of trend line, that market manipulators obviously first trapped those retail traders who had been considering this trend line to be zone to long BTC, and then they went long from here. Market first went into their favor for small time frame and then dropped heavily. Why? Because this was the area which I have been seeing as area of liquidity. So what we can expect if price maintains above this mystery box, then we will see a possible bounce in price. What would be our target? Our target would be this high or maybe above this high. But what's the criteria for that bounce? Price has to maintain its position above this mystery box. So if we analyze the same move on our not on 3 minutes, basically on 15-minute time frame, we would see we have two areas of interest in market right now. Those are these zones. We would see that we have this area of inefficiency, this area of interest in market. If price maintains to hold above this area, then and break of this high is basically necessary for the movement towards 24,000 to 24,500. So if price maintains above this high, above this area of inefficiency based, which is actually basically an order block on 4-hour time frame, and breaks above this high, then we will expect a bounce toward 24,000 or 24,500, or basically a bounce from the current zone, 5 to 6% bounce. Okay, from this area we can see 5 to 6%, which is basically 24,500. But what is criteria for that? We have price have to break this high, and it has to be above this area. So what would be the other scenario? Basically I predict always one side scenarios, but if this scenario gets failed, what would we see? Okay, So if price fails above this high, basically what would be our next target? Our next target would be this area, which is basically 21,500. But basically I am expecting bounce in price from this area, targeting what? 24,500 and 24,000. But what is the criteria for that? Price has to maintain above this area and it has to break this high. Okay, the high is basically 23,600. So guys, this was today's market update session. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram if you want a free trading signals. Thank you very much.